Guys, let's be real. This Web3 thing can be so energy draining and exasperating. How many things can you do? Whether you're even doing, whether you're doing degen trading, which is even the one I think is the riskiest, or you're doing the testnet, or you're doing the airdrop, none of them is easy. Because how many can you do? Every day projects are coming. Every day projects are coming up. But for me, I have decided to focus my energy on just a few. And I don't just focus my energy anyhow. There is a reason why, or there are reasons, there are things I look out for before deciding to pitch my tent with any project. And one of those things I look out for is the community. Because any Web3 product or project without community is you're literally building on quicksand because it's not gonna last. You need that community. I look at the community surrounding it. I look at how much money they raised. I look at how frequent do they ship products, how do they update, how frequent do they update their community members. So these are few things I look out for before deciding to put more energy into any project. And aside it is after I must have done all this, if I now have extra, that's where I can now put test out those other projects that maybe I don't have a high conviction of, because you can't be too certain. And one of those projects I'm bullish on is Saharalabs AI. I remember putting a Twitter thread about them sometime this year. I will show us the video. I will show us a clip of that. I put a Twitter thread on why I'm bullish on them. I even gave a comprehensive outline on how to go about their testnet. So this video will guide you, especially if you're coming across my content for the first time, is to guide you on how to participate in these testnets. And if you check around either on the comment section or at the description section of this video, if you're watching it from YouTube, I'll be leaving the link, or check the comment section. I'll be leaving the link on how to participate, the link for you to click so that you can participate in this Saharalabs AI. All right, guys, so let's go. So, as far back as February, beginning of February, I made a post concerning the Sahara Lab. I made a Twitter thread about it, and I shared how to go about it. So, in case you're watching this video and you're not following my X account, you should do that because I'm putting out quality content about this is me concerning everything that has to do with Web3, especially when it comes to opportunities, money making opportunities. So make sure you're following my X account. You can see my username here at Crypto Solo. Make sure you're there. Also join our Telegram community. We are also share daily updates about the Web3 space opportunities and the rest. So let's go to. I'll be using my mobile device for this. I'll be using my mobile device for this. So let's go to how to participate in the Sahara Labs AI testnet that is ongoing. So I've copied the referral link. You paste it here. I've pasted it. So I'm gonna search and wait for it to open up. Saharalabs.ai. I'm gonna wait for it to open up. Of course, it has opened. So already I have been able to link my account. You can see when I zoom this, you see this is my wallet address. So once this page opens, over here on top of this place where you are seeing this place, you're seeing disconnect, you'll be seeing connect. So once you tap on that place, you're gonna get your, of course, you already know how to use Mrs. Browser. You're gonna get your wallet. Your wallet will pop up. Make sure you're selecting MetaMask, because I tried other wallet. I tried Phantom. Phantom isn't supporting Sahara. Neither is backpack supporting it. So make sure it is MetaMask you are selecting. So with that, I was able to link my account. So after doing that, the next thing you're going to do, after linking your account, the next thing you're going to do is to go to this very place. Look for faucets. Look for faucet. You can see this is faucet, yeah. Just click on this faucet. Once you I won't click it because I've already done what I wanted to show us. I've already claimed my faucet, because you'll be needing this faucet as we go ahead. You'll be needing it. So click on faucet and then verify the captcha. They will send you just a little quantity of Sahara token that you'll be needing in the future. So after you must have done that, you come back again. Go to this Gobi beer. Yeah. Please make sure you're not clicking any other. Even if you click other ones, they will respond. So make sure it is Gobi beer you're clicking. So click on Gobi beer. See what will come up. Once you click on Gobi Bear, this is what will come up. So these are the tasks you'll be mandated to perform, and each of them comes with their respective points. Okay, you'll be mandated to visit the Sahara AI blog, VC Saharalabs AI on X. Okay, then the referral generate at least one transaction on Sahara testnet. So this is the one I want to show us how to go about, because this is where you'll be needing that faucet. That faucet you claimed earlier, this is where you will be needing it. So all you have to do this, to this very last task. This is something you do every day, mind you. You have to be doing it every 24 hours, every 12 hours, I guess. Yes, every 12 hours. So this is how to do that. For you to do this very task now, okay, go to your wallet, go to your wallet section, your wallet extension. Here you will be checking, if especially if you have another EVM wallet, another MetaMask wallet. So here you will be selecting one of those wallets, right? You'll be selecting one of those wallets, click on, you can see what I'm telling you. Zero, so I received 0.01 Sahara. That was the faucet I got when I tried to claim it. So you'll be needing another EVM wallet. In this very account now, I only have one. I don't have two. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check my other wallet, just copy it, and then send zero, maybe just a fractional unit of this very Sahara to that very wallet. That is to show that I've completed the transaction. So I'm going to pause this video and get the wallet address. Yeah, so I've been able to get another EVM wallet. So I'm going to be sending a fractional unit of this 0.01 Sahara tokens that I got. I'm going to be sending it to that very wallet. So I go to send. Of course, you should know how to do this. Paste the address I've copied, paste it. I want to just send a very small unit. So I have 0.01, so I'm going to send 0.001 of it. Then continue, confirm. It's showing pending, pending. Cancel speed up. Beautiful, confirmed. So I have done this. I'm going to exit, and then I go back to this very task now. This generate at least one transaction on Sahara testnet. I've already done that. So I click on this recycle icon. So see what it's telling me now, claim. So here I'm going to claim it. I'm going to claim, beautiful, claimed. So I've claimed about 20 shots. I've claimed about 20 shots. That's also how I'm going to be completing all these other tasks here. The first one is to visit the Sahara block. So let's just do that together, and then let's see what happens. Let's visit the block. So I'm just going to tap it, just click on it, and I know another page is going to load. It's going to take me to Gauzy. Gauzy is like where you perform these tasks. I think they are in partnership with Gauzy. So yeah, so it's loaded up. See the daily visit, the Sahara block. So I'm going to click on that. Of course, connect my MetaMask to Gauzy. It's part of the requirements. So waiting for that to pop up. Connect. I think it's connected already. Yeah, it's connected. So let's visit it again. Okay, it's not yet connected. Okay, waiting for that to pop up. Confirm. Okay, I'm just gonna choose a username, Chad. Let me just use Chad. Sign up, Chad 101. Okay, just for me to sign up on Gauzy. It's one of part of the requirements. Beautiful. So signed up successfully. So let's do this again. So visit the blog. We are about to leave Gauzy. Yes, I know. Continue to access. Yeah, so it's gonna take me to Saharalabs.ai blog, which, like I said, is part of the daily requirements. Yeah, so just read blah 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 blah. We visited the blog, so I'll come back later to read. And then please make sure you join this wait list. It's very important. Make sure you click on join wait list, where you'll be required to input your email and all that. Make sure you join the wait list. So let's come back again. Let's come back to Gauzy. So I visited the blog. I'm gonna click on this. So it's gonna refresh. It's beautiful. See, it has marked good. It has ticked good for me to show that I've actually visited it. The next thing is for me to visit the Sahara AI Twitter. So let's do that. Let's visit the Sahara AI Twitter. It's coming up. I think I should be following them in this account. I think I'm already following them. Yep. Okay, I am not. So I'll just have to click the follow button. Beautiful. So we come back again. Come back to the the to Gauzy, then check this to show that I've visited them. Beautiful. So I've performed these two tasks. Then I go back again to the Sahara, to this place that contains the tasks. So I go back here and then click on this refreshing icon. So claim, see, it has changed to claim to show that I've performed these very tasks now. Click on the second one. Beautiful. So I'm going to claim this, claim one shard, another shard, claim another. So I currently have about 22 shards, the first 20, and then this other two. So let me look at rewards. Okay, maybe it hasn't reflected, but definitely it will reflect. It will reflect. So there are still other tasks you can perform, because when you go to this social media part now, there are still other tasks you are to perform. But these other ones now, this bronze, get bronze, have a silver role in Sahara Discord server, have the platinum role in Sahara Discord. These ones, you can do them on the Sahara Discord server. So if you tweak it, if you look around, you're gonna see how to join the Sahara Discord server. So that's pretty much how to participate in this Sahara Labs AI testnet. So every 12 hours you have to visit this and perform all these tasks, all these ones you did previously. So as you're doing it, so also will you be accumulating shards and the points will be reading. So that's pretty much how to go about this. If you like this content, please make sure you like, subscribe, follow, depending on the social media platform where you're seeing it, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Join us on Telegram for daily updates in the world of Web3. So till I come away again, once ahead. Salute.